Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of one of the most iconic comedians of our time, Bill Burr. In this video, we'll explore his 2024 lifestyle, take a trip down memory lane to his early life, get to know his family, uncover his impressive net worth and so much more. So sit back, relax and let's get started on his incredible journey through the life of Bill Burr. Bill Burr early life and upbringing. Bill Burr was born on 10th of June 1968 in Canton, Massachusetts. Raised in a working-class family, Burr's bringing in the Boston suburbs significantly influenced his comedic style, often reflecting the straightforward, no-nonsense attitude characteristics of the region. Let me know about his family life. Bill Burr is married to Nia Renee Hill, a writer, director, and producer. The couple has daughter Lola, born in 2017, and a son born in 2020. Burr often shares anecdotes about his family life in his stand-up routines and podcast, offering glimpses into his personal experiences and relationships. His professional career plus stand-up comedy. Bill Burr is renowned for his stand-up comedy, characterized by observational humor, satire, and candid commentary on social norms. He has had several acclaimed comedy specials, including Why Do I Do This in 2008. Burr's ability to tackle conservational topics with humor has earned him a dedicated fan base and critical acclaim. Let us know about his acting career. Beyond stand-up, Bill Burr has made significant strides in acting. He is well known for his role as Patrick Cuby in the hit television series Breaking Bad. Burr also stars in the animated Netflix series F is for Family, which is co-created drawing inspiration from his own childhood experiences. Let me know about his podcasting. In 2007, Burr launched Monday Morning Podcast, where he shared his thoughts on current events, sports, and anecdotes. The podcast has become highly popular, providing Burr with a platform to connect with his audience on a more personal level. Let me know about his lifestyle and interests. Bill Burr's daily routine often revolves around balancing his professional commitments with family time. Known for his disciplined work ethic, Burr dedicates each day to writing, preparing for performances, and recording his podcast. Despite his busy schedule, he prioritizes spending quality time with his wife and children. His hobbies and interests. An avid sports enthusiast, Burr frequently discusses his love for hockey, particularly the Boston Bruins, as well as other sports teams like the New England Patriots. He also enjoys playing the drums, a passion he has pursued for many years, occasionally performing with friends and fellow musicians. Let me know about his philosophy and outlook. Bill Burr is known for his candid and often cynical outlook on life, which permeates his comedy. He frequently challenges social norms and expectations, advocating for individualism and critical thinking. Despite his sometimes abrasive comedic style, Burr's underlying message often promotes self-awareness and personal growth. Bill Burr earnings and income sources. Bill Burr has amassed significant wealth through his diverse career in comedy, acting, and podcasting. His stand-up specials, television appearances, and film roles contribute substantially to his income. Additionally, his podcast generates revenue through sponsorships and advertisement. Let me know about his estimated net worth. As of 2024, Bill Burr's estimated net worth is approximately $12 million. This figure reflects his success across multiple entertainment mediums and his ability to maintain a strong and loyal fan base over the years. Public perception. Bill Burr is widely regarded as one of the most influential comedians of his generation. His willingness to tackle controversial topics head-on has earned him both praise and criticisms. However, his authenticity and unwavering commitment to his comedic style have solidified his status as a respected figure in the comedy world. At last, let me know about his influence on comedy. Burr's impact on comedy extends beyond his own experience. He has inspired a new generation of comedians to embrace honesty and fearlessness in their work. His contributions to comedy have been recognized with the media awards and accolades, further cementing his legacy in the entertainment industry. So my friends, this was the lifestyle of Bill Burr, and what's your personal opinion about them? So tell me in your comment box, or if you want to more this type of celebrity videos, so don't forget to press the bell icon. Keep smile, stay blessed, and all the best.